Good morning, class. Welcome to your science class. And today's date is 18 now. 18 December 2020. Which chapter is going on? Chapter 9. And air around us. Air around us. This is your chapter. Hopefully all of you read this chapter 2-3 times. And your all doubts are clear now, students? Yes or no? And you completed, all of you have completed your book exercise in book only. In book only. Book exercise you have to, some students are completing their book exercise in copies. No need for the write it again. Only listen student, book exercise you have to complete in your book only, and this is your copy work. In copy work you have to write now hard words and question answer. Okay, let's start. First is, everyone mention now in your copy chapter name with date. After that you have to leave now one line, then hard words. Your heading is hard words. Hard words. Okay, hard words. So everyone write now with me hard words. First is breathe. First is breathe. All living things take breath now. Yes. Then second word is oxygen. This is our lifeline gas. Without this we cannot live. Oxygen. Then third one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Number 4 is water vapor. Water vapor. That is also in common language called steam. Okay. Steam. Water vapor. After that, all of you write now. Number 5 is germs. Germs. Number 6 is sunlight. Sunlight. Okay. Number 7 is particles. What is the meaning of this word? Particles. Small little particles, and we cannot see our naked eyes. Okay. And example like dust particles. After that, all of you write now storm. Storm. What is a storm? Storm is very strong moving wind. Okay, and it is very harmful. It can damage our property, our houses, our harvesting, many things. Okay. After number 9 is, everyone write now with me. Number 9 is carpool. Carpool is a public transport. Okay, and last is, sorry for that, when we are using now public transport, it is called carpool. Okay, it is not public transport. When we are using now public transport, it means that is carpool. Okay, then number 10 is, last word is, that is wait. Okay, these 10 words are, all of you write now in your copy. After that, in next page, all of you write now the question answer from this chapter. Okay. All of you completed? Yes. After that, the next exercise. The next exercise is, according to your book, this is your question answer. Learn and write. Okay. Learn and write. Answer the following. In next page, all of you write now in your copy. Answer the following questions. Your writing is this. After that, all of you leave one line. Then you start now here one question. That's why your writing is good now. And in your copy, some students are sometimes capital letters, some spaces small letters are they are writing now in your copy. No, beta, don't write this type of. When you start now the sentence here, you have to write now here capital letter. Okay. First question I mention now here. What does air contain? Okay, first question is this. What does air contain? Answer is very easy and all of you give me your answer. Yes or no? Yes, no? Air contains different kinds of gases. Yes or no? Yes. Air contains, right now the all names, oxygen, carbon dioxide, okay. After that nitrogen is also gas. Water vapor, it is in common language we can say now steam. Here is vapor, this word is R. Water vapor, smoke. Here some students are right now this S is capital letter. No, this line is continue now, no? That's why all of you right now here is small letter S. Smoke. Okay. Smoke, dust and germs also. And germs. Okay. This question is completed now. Then after that question number 2 is, according to your book, question number 2, what are the 3 ways in which the wind helps us? What are the 3 ways in which the wind helps us? The wind help us. This is your question. 3 ways. Wind help us to many ways. First, it is help us to breathing. Yes or no? It is help us for. First point is it help us to. The 3 ways. The 3 ways are. Okay. First point is it help us to breathe. Okay. Then second is, right now everyone, it helps gliders, windmills windmill, windmills and boat. To move, to move. Number third is, okay, third point is, it carries sheet, it carries sheets, sheets of seeds of plants to new places. Okay, students. And some other things is also, it is help to flying our kite, it help to drying our clothes, different things. Okay, only 3 points I'm just right now here, and all of you complete this work in your copy. Okay, students, all of you complete now these 2 questions in your copy very neatly, and remaining questions, question number 3 to 5, we will discuss in next class. Okay.